Spigen makes some really nice tempered glass screen protectors, and they've been some of the best that I've tested over these past few years. And today again, we're going to put that to the test. So make sure you stick with me to the end of the video because I will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how durable the screen protector really is. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not the screen protector is worth your time. And if you guys want to pick this up yourself, I will be putting a product link in the video description. So let's get started. You get 2 screen protectors and an installation packet. So first, make sure you clean off the front screen really well, then dry it off. Then take one of your screen protectors, making sure that the top signifier is going towards the top of your phone. We're going to peel off this little sticker here, making sure you don't take the screen protector with it. Then we're just going to place this over the top of your phone, press it into place, and then run your finger down the middle. Wait 30 seconds, then press down on the guide with one hand, and we're going to remove the middle sticker, and then just lift up on the guide. And then all we need to do is remove the top protector. Now it does look like we have some bubbles on the screen protector, but you can just use your squeegee to get that out. And there we go. Perfect installation, covers the whole screen as well as your camera, but that shouldn't have any effect on your pictures or your facial recognition. It also does look like it should be case friendly as well, but we're going to test that out. Now as far as touch goes, it is super smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. The edges of the glass are also rounded, so when you run your finger over them, they're nice and smooth. As far as fingerprints goes, it does seem to pick up some fingerprints, but you can just easily wipe those away because the screen does have an oleophobic coating. Now let's test out our facial recognition. Working just fine, and as you can see, it is crystal clear. Touch, working perfectly fine, no issues whatsoever. Very nice. And let's take a look at the camera. And as you can see, it is also super clear. No problems there. So now let's see how well it works with our case. And it seems to fit perfectly. No problems whatsoever. And as you can see, there's still a slight gap all the way around the phone, so this should be case friendly with almost every case. So now let's move on to the scratch and the drop test. So we're going to be dropping a 2.4 ounce steel metal ball at a height of about 2 feet. If the screen protector doesn't crack, we'll raise it up foot by foot until it eventually does. So here we go at 2 feet. All right, now we're going to move up to 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet. So the Spigen screen protector lasted up until 5 feet, which is definitely respectable, but it's not the best. So now let's move on to the scratch test. So typically tempered glass starts to scratch around a level 6 Mohs pick. So we're going to start off with a number 5. Then we'll move on to a number 6. And then a number 7. So if we take a closer look, as you can see, there are no scratches at the number 5. There are slight at a number 6 and a little deeper at a number 7. So again, pretty much on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. So now let's see how easily it would come off your phone if you were to try to take it off after it got damaged. So now let's see how easily it would come off your phone if you tried to take it off after it gets damaged. So it comes off pretty easy and it's in one piece. So I definitely still do like the Spigen tempered glass screen protectors. They're super easy to install. They are case friendly. Scratch protection is also pretty standard, and drop protection isn't bad with a 5-foot drop. So I would still recommend the screen protector, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. Now, if you guys want to pick this up yourself, again, I will be putting product links in this video's description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.